Yeah, hello.
Okay.
We are recording now. This is meeting number
Oh,
10 of the Scicloj AI group. And today we have Steve Chan who will tell us about datascript, MCP server, and related topics, and maybe data visualization and so on. We are 5 people at the moment. We are Mark and Phil and Siavash and Danielle and Steve. And we can just begin, I believe. So, Steve, if you like, it would be great to say something about yourself for those who haven't got to know you, and if you wish to say who you are, what you care about, and so on, as much as you like, and then we can dive into the story, if that is good.
oh, okay. Very honored. Yes. Nice to meet you. I'm Steve. I have 10 years for cultural develop and with the data script and the culture script and mm, I very like the data script and the datomic and I I build open source Hulu nodes and use the data script and datomic. Some Sometimes I will question on for myself how to analyze the user some action and some how to think in the Hulu notes. Hulu notes is like the ruler research or logseq, the a simple production. Okay, product. Yeah. So I will I hope have some very AI very powerful tools can help me search search the data and analyze the data. So I build a data script MCP server. Uh, Before I try use the function calling based function calling build data script MCP server, but well not simple. Yeah. So now use the MCP is very simple. Can explain my thinking and write some tools for data script such as the generate some data and generate some schema for your model and for your interesting something, right? Yeah. So data script is a good model make a model the tools. So I hope the data script MCP and must need make a model is simple for data model. Yeah, we make a data model is simple. It's my my hope, right? Okay. I show my can you can you look at my screen, right?
Yeah, yes,
Can
we
you?
can see. Yeah.
Okay. This is data script is based closure and such and integrate the AI flow. Yeah, I can. So I like code. So I show screen some code. Yeah. Some code and show my mind.
Yeah, what we can see now we see Claude code. Is that what we should see?
Okay. I can continue. I show my my screen. Yeah. Datascript. I hope this roadmap and I finish some model. It's like the import and the query data set. You can import some datascript data and ask for datascript some question. You can ask some to entity with how relation. You can ask like this question and to roadmap and it's finish is generate some data and for testing is if you want make a data model, you can use this function and is quote the roadmap and three and visualization. If you ask some data question, but you need some revision. You need and analyze some revision such as a graph and or a network or other maps. Yeah, you can use this function. Is they use some Python library, but future can use the code rewrite it. But because it's I have some difficult question need to resolve. Right? Yes, and next roadmap because I think MCP no a single problem is a multi problem. Something is datascript in the MCP calling is failed. You need some file system or other tools to help it resolve your question. Yeah. So the file system or other MCP server need it is very important for resolve your question. Yeah. This is a file system MCP. Yeah, I built other project. Yes, it's a file system. And have a supporter, Datomic and some data like and other data log database. Yeah, and that's all roadmap for datascript. And it name data log MCP server. So, but beginning is datascript MCP server. Yeah. It's for me. I can just some I write I have some AI builder have for 5 years 5 years experience for build some AI system such as deep learning and machine learning and LLM build some agents and I have work build some back cursor or copilot products. Yes, so I very interesting the LLM. So I want some my advanced some technology can make the world beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So next I will show how to use this datascript-mcp server for you. Okay. Can you I don't.
Yeah, we see the window now. Claude.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This window, can you see?
No, we only see the desktop, the background. We don't see any window now.
That right. This now.
Yeah, this we see. We see Claude.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Only Claude.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
here it is. Yeah. Now we see. Yes. Yeah.
Yes. This Hulu Notes is built by datascript and use the datascript and backend use the datomic. So I very like datascript. It's explain some graph very easy. And some you can search some paths on or relationship very easy. So I like this function. Yeah. Okay. I import some MCP in my cloud desktop. Yeah. Do you have installed this cloud desktop? Yeah. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
I can check the you can check what code run. I write a lot of the MCP server. Oh. Yes. It's have a free MCP server. And the top one is datascript MCP server. Have a file system or order. Okay. I show you a chart. Okay. Datascript MCP have nine tools to work and like some init data, some data, raw data, save data, and query, and five paths, and show schema. Okay, there's some question here. Okay, it's real core imports some data for this. And data screen this question imports data and express some relation shift machine the some production data for sales, some data. We can look some IT data. It's will build a schema and for your question. Yeah. You can look this. It's build a schema production and two entities. You can look the sales and production two entities. And you can say and it's either some generate some data for it. Yeah, you can look some data some production some products and some sales data. It will generate some query data log query for it. That. You can some it will show you the production and the sales some relationship and summary your data. Yeah. Okay, I can import data for it for. Oh, sorry. It's not network problem. Sorry.
Yeah, it happens. Yeah.
I shared. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes, we can. Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. This question will help you make a data model. Yeah. Right. Have any question for it? This data. If no question, I show a next demo. Yeah. Okay. I can build this model and data, and this have two schema for explain your question. Okay. Next one, I can ask some question. What's the total sales data? You can ask some problem, and it will build data log query to resolve your problem. Yeah, sure. I use this question for this demo. Wow. Wow, very cool. It's build some query and for summary your sales, and yeah, very cool. for sales about different production and query the you can show the data script. Yeah. Find some the quality price and where it sells. And okay, next one, I will show how to import the data screen data for it, and I use this data screen. It will dump data screen data for it. Okay, I new chart for it. Okay, I show the import some data screen data for it, and import this data screen down. Display the schema relationship. It's real, it's the real data. It's real load your data for analyze your question. And show the okay. I can ask some question. How many notes? How many notes and notes for there? There. It will query some data import in your notes. You can find some this data. I can set it. Load other. All the other data. Yes, it's update for the data and ask ask again ask ask again. I mean, no. And I can ask other question. Okay, who is Steve in the context? Is difficult problem. Who? It's retry. Hmm? Oh, no, no, it's no. Unsuccessful the switch Steve. Okay, I look include Steve. Oh, we try for okay. Continue searching. Yeah, it's the successful. Yeah, it's the find the data for Steve and my name is Steve. It's putting the ML and deep learning. Okay, and it show the some tubes. Yeah, it have. Yeah. Is a step demo for datascript and MCP-server. It can analyze your datascript data and the future you can connect your data and some like the data like and other data log database for your analyze. Yeah. Like this for you use. Yeah. Okay. Um, I can next I can show the visualization for it's a new advisor. Okay. One yeah, this is my cloud desktop feature. I will find it. I need to import it. create a new MCP server. And it's need some other for it. Okay, I need restart it and continue. Yeah. I will start my.
Oh, Steve, is it okay to ask a question?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Stefan, did you wish to ask anything? Oh, hello.
Yes, hello, Daniela, hello, Steve, and hello, everyone. Sorry, I'm very late to this game of.
Oh, you were just on time. Yeah.
Yes. I'm in the MCP in this entire world of assisted augmented programming. I don't know the word you'd like to use. I'd like to ask Steve if you're using this. What's your usage of this way of interacting with your data? How long have you been using this kind of querying, this kind of business intelligence help? Yeah, does my question make sense? Is it in opposition or in what does this MCP or this way of interacting brings new to the, let's say, SQL command line? And yeah, I have of course some ideas, but what does it bring? And I mean, what's your real usage of this new MCPification of querying data? How long? How accurate is it? How repeatable is it? How maintainable is it? I stop.
Yeah, and maybe I'll just say these are a lot of questions, and maybe we can keep some of that for later for the discussion part. And yeah, and I think it's so helpful to have these questions. Yeah, what do you think, Steve? Would you like to say something about it now or later about, the way you use it? Would you prefer to continue with the demo and discuss it now or later? What do you think?
My voice is very small. Can you put the message or question in the chat? Okay. And I did a voice. It have some my makers have some problem.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I don't know the Zoom you cannot set the voice. It's very,
I don't know. Oh, I don't know.
Zoom have a question. You can use the chat.
Do you see the chat?
Ich habe Team Charts. Mhm. I think this version it's so different for before.
Yeah, yes, right.
Can you help me find the chat? Send my question detail. Sorry.
Oh, do you not see the chat?
Yes, but it cannot send the message. I don't know why.
Oh,
You are a host. You maybe can find it, right? I'm not host.
yeah.
Hmm?
I'm not sure. Are you saying that you cannot type in the chat?
Yeah. You put the question in chat.
Yes. Do you see the chat?
No, but I see the chat, but cannot use. Why?
I do
I don't
not
know.
know why. I do not know why. Maybe you can connect again. You can also connect to Zoom with the browser. Maybe it is easier.
Oh, okay. You can share the screen for me. I can look at your screen. Right. Okay.
Yes, yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Have it. Okay. I stop. I share. You share your screen. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I find it. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
I must exit it. Yeah, okay.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
it was hiding.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
Okay. Because I share my a screen, so I can not see this chart list.
yes,
Oh,
yeah, I'm so confused, very confused about it. Yes, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is good
yes.
that we have the chat now. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm, good question. Okay, I can ask, answer your question. Yes. And, okay. The datascript MCP server is a new idea. Is very new. So not have some 2 week. Yeah, it's a new idea. Yeah. So it's I have two weeks of the first question. And MCP server. It means help the no programmer or other people and learning the data and analyze the data. It's a good way. I hope. Yeah. Because it can make some the data analyzed and return your question your question something, right? I don't know. I have answered your question.
Yes. You in part. Yes. Well, the main general question would be, what's the benefit? What's the risk? But it's just food for thought. You can continue with your presentation, your demo. Apologize.
Okay.
I'm not in a hurry.
I can continue. Yeah. I share my screen continue. Yeah. Okay. This have I show some case how to use the MCP. You can import some data for ask some question for this data. This data is made by screen. Okay, and you can a new question. You can because it will generate some schema and entity for your question, and you can continue ask some question. This to demo. And I will next one I will show the visualization. If ask a question and something the data very have a lot of data, but you can very difficult for find your data relationship and some and some other question. Okay, I import the new MCP server. It's visualization MCP server. It's, you can look in this visualization. Have some you can click some map line apart and some 3D plots and some relationship graph. Some this choose for this question. I can use report. If well, as it's a bit the code show you the relation is still have some relation graph for this data screen database. Yeah. Right. Code. Okay, it's very simple for data analysis and visualization. That's all my demo. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Uh, my 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 share is finished. Yeah, I share finished. Oh. This not my thinking. I hope the not learning the data script and it help other not understand code people can learn your data. Use this data script and MCP this way, but not learning use this way. Yeah. Your answer your question. Yeah.
I think yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, my thinking is help people to understand the data and by AI this way. Yeah, and but why choose the data script? Because it make some difficult model is easy if you use some relationship data such as Scicloj PG is difficult. Yeah, so I choose the data script or other data log this way. Okay. Okay. Good. Second question, Daniel. How to build it? Because I am in China, so have someday have my have use the group chat, have the in the China have a big WeChat group chat have people share the Kojo MCP. So, oh, very cool. This is good idea. So it's so I look the code. I download the Kojo MCP and call it in the cloud desktop. So it's a good idea. So I have because I before and build data build the data AI some products such but not use the datascript, use the Scicloj and other database build multi agents, but the way is difficult. But now I see the MCP this way as very simple, can resolve my problem. So I rebuild my this mind, rebuild my this idea, the data and the AI together build you can very easy to analyze the data, and you can any people, and very easy to learn the data of some users' data, some your business data. Yeah, right. So this have I think have a lot of company have make these things, and data and AI together, these things. Yeah, and so I build it. I look the Kojo MCP code, and very interesting. So I rebuilt for datascript because the datascript is very light. It's like the why choice the datascript is very light. Is like the Scicloj is very simple. So I choose the datascript for it for the beginning. So this my story for it. Thank you. Yeah. Answer your question. Yes. Thank you. I think it is I'm thinking is a good way. You can build a lot of tools for the AI, and such as the file system, such as the some search tools and database, and or and machine operation. Yes, a lot of you can use MCP this way to gather the AI and try very a lot of interesting thing. Yeah, yeah. It's my my share. Very simple. I write some promotes some designer guide. I can share. like some promote some junior for guides, because I have uh, 3 years for build 3 years experience for developer LLM and some multi-agent application. So I summary this promote engineer design. Yeah. So if need. Future. I want to deep this project and can be a new star culture project. Yeah, so like the research or the stone project. Yeah, a new star project. It's will help people to help people very easy to make the data model and learning your business data or users data and for your company. Yeah, is my hope. Thank you. No other question, and I like to make a new friend. So very happy. Yeah. No other question.
Yes. Before asking new questions, I need to study and to understand better this area. But you have started the conversation, and thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I want the datascript and this way MCP and have other database because I build other MCP like the Scicloj with the MCP and it's but a simple it's a simple way. I build this project can support a lot of the database, but beginning with data log this way. But future it can support a lot database because different company have used different database such as PG and Microsoft and Oracle some data. So if need all the people can use it. It must support a lot of the data. A lot of the database. So this summary, and I will continue contribute for this project. Yeah. Welcome join. Yeah, if interested for it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So
Thank you.
we have a little more time for this meeting, and maybe we'll do just a little thing, just another thing, a small thing. As we usually do, we have these practice sessions where we try to code something together. And I think we'll try to do some data visualization in Clojure. And we want to see how we can use an LLM, a language model, to help us figure out the way to visualize things. And of course, we have now a few data visualization libraries in Clojure, but now we'll try something more basic just to see how the basics work or don't work. And then later on, maybe another time, we can make it more detailed. And so maybe I'll share my screen now. And yeah.
Okay, you can share.
Thank you. So I think you see my screen now. And yeah, and you see what I hope.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. So I think you see my editor and my browser.
Emacs, very cool.
Oh, Emacs, yeah. And so
yeah, I use it Emacs too.
oh, really?
Whoa.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So we'll do a little thing with Emacs, and what we will try to do is to visualize some random walk, something like that. Maybe we will make it in the short time we have, and maybe we'll not make it this time, but we'll go in that direction, right? So
Wow, very cool.
yeah, so we have an empty namespace, and we use this tool called Clay. Clay is a way to make notebooks, like HTML notebooks, out of namespaces. So I will use this tool called GPTEL, which is an Emacs package that can use a language model to change the text in an Emacs buffer. It is very simple. We are not doing anything with agents or MCP or tool calling. It is just calling a language model, right? Because we wish to see how the basic work and don't work before we go about more sophisticated tools, right? So, we can ask something like, can you, or maybe please make a small random walk in Clojure, right? Something like that. And then I call this GPTL send command, or maybe make it bigger.
Oh.
Right, so we'll do GPTL send, and then it sends it to the language model Claude, and it does something, right? And actually, I don't like it like that because I want the text to be in comments, and I don't need these Clojure backticks because we're not writing Markdown, writing Clojure code. So I made a few changes, and we also don't need a namespace definition. But we see that it defines something which is reasonable as a way of generating a random walk. So let us try maybe random walk, right? Of like 5 steps, right? Right, so we can print it in here. Oh no, sorry, I should evaluate the whole namespace. And now we can print it here, right? So it works, and maybe we can make more, like 20. Right, so we see it is making those small steps, 1 plus 1 minus 1, and so on. And basically what it does is, it makes those random numbers, right? And it decides, whether to go -1 or 1, and it goes with these steps. So that is a random walk. And please stop me anytime if something is strange or unclear about Clojure, or there is any question, then let us talk about it. Now let us add, please, make a Plotly visualization of it. Right, so Plotly is a JavaScript library that we can use in the browser. And I need to tell the language model how to use Plotly in this notebook we're using. So we'll do something like we'll add the kindly library. And what kindly is about, it is about saying how to visualize things. Saying that, for example, something is of kind Plotly. In a moment, we'll see how it goes, but it should be something like that. Right? It will create a data structure like that. And kind Plotly means that we are creating a Plotly plot, which is just a certain kind of plotting. So let us ask it to do that. So, right, so it learned that it needs to write something like that. And again, it didn't get it right with the way it formats the code, and maybe we can teach it better. But for now, maybe it is not so much of a trouble. Right, so we created this random walk, and now we can send this to the browser to be visualized. So the way we did it, I'm using this clay.el package. It is an Emacs package.
Wow, very cool.
That calls the Clay tool, this tool called Clay, which is this browser tool. Clay.el just has some Emacs commands to send something to be visualized in the browser. Yeah, so we can do also Clay make the whole namespace. So we can get this notebook telling the whole story of the namespace, but we can also make like Clay make just this form at the point we are. So we just use this form and then we can change things. Right, so now we want more, right? So let us ask, please make a two-dimensional random walk and visualize it. And let us try, let us see if it gets it right. So the step now is randomizing two numbers because we're talking about a two-dimensional random walk. And the random walk is just adding these many steps together. And I think it got it right with it, adding of the x coordinates, adding of the y coordinates, right? So it looks okay. Walk 2D, and now it creates a walk, and now it uses still a scatter plot, right? So it should be okay, right? So now we have this two-dimensional random walk, but now please make the steps, the random steps, continuous.
So cool.
Yeah, so we're trying to see whether it gets it right or not, right? So yeah, now
it's just amazing.
Yeah, it is kind of nice. So Clojure is simple. Maybe the point is that Clojure is simple, datascript is simple, and SQLite is simple. So these simple things are things that can be made.
Wow.
Let's try now. So this and that.
Can we annoy you? Can we ask?
Yeah.
Can you go color?
Oh.
Can you color? Because here I don't see where's the start. Yes, I guess from 0, but can you change the color so that it gets darker or it gets
Wow.
it comes sorry. It goes from from blue to red.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, let us try.
Because
see.
It won't be nice, I'm afraid.
Yeah, right. So it didn't work, right? So now we should try to understand what happened, right? So maybe we'll debug this just for a moment. So first, do we have this first yeah, we have these first numbers. Yeah, I'll print them here, and the second numbers. Yeah, so the numbers are okay. And maybe we will ask it why it didn't work, but maybe we can try to guess. So I'm guessing, I don't know whether they can do this with Plotly to use numbers as, maybe they can, I don't know. So, right. Color scale, I don't know, blue, red. Yeah, so we should say, yeah. We could try to debug this, but maybe the point is that we want to learn whether the language model knows, right? So,
yes.
right. Yeah, we're just wondering. And just what we should comment about is that at the moment, all we're doing is working with text. The language model is not connected to Clojure. And what we had in the previous meetings, in this meeting, we learned about more sophisticated tools where the language model was connected to the Clojure REPL. And then there is, just like today, Steve was teaching us about this datascript-mcp server. There is also Clojure MCP, so that the language model can call Clojure through the MCP protocol, and then it can be more clever about debugging. It can try something, it can see that it fails, it can try again, and so on. At the moment, we're not doing that. We're doing something much simpler. We're only working with text, right? And for this, you had a good idea, Stefan, about the colors. So, it kind of helps to see the plot this way. But, something about the layout is not so good. So, right. So we want it to be wider, I think. And, there is something kind of fast about it because it is not calling any tools. It is just, creating text. So yeah, we could keep going this way. Yeah, maybe. But maybe that's the point, that we hope to explore these things. And we also will hope to explore them in a notebook fashion. So, now I render the whole notebooks and we have the storytelling of our conversation and what we did. And the reason we're talking about it is that a conference is coming, and Siavash, who is here with us today, is also involved in organizing this conference, these two conferences that will be in October, one about data science and the other about AI. And we want
Where?
preparation. Sorry? Oh, could you say again? Oh, maybe you are on mute now.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. Sorry.
Where will these conferences happen?
Yeah, these are online conferences.
Online. Okay.
Just online, yeah, online and free. And one of them is about data science, and the other is about AI. And we hope that everybody here in this group will like to propose talks for the conference, and we like to help each other preparing talks. And we want the talks to be notebooks like that. So, there will also be notes, so we can create some common knowledge about what we explore and so on. And another thing to mention is that, if you go about the speakers guidelines for anybody who wishes to propose talks, you will see there is this new Clojure space called Clojure Civitas, where many different Clojurians are creating different kinds of posts using this tool, Clay. So, for example, this post is from this week about visualizing geographical data by our friend Join-R. And here, you'll have some three-dimensional data visualizations. Maybe it is too heavy for my browser now because my browser is struggling. So maybe I'll not try to make it load. But the point is that different people are posting about different topics, and we hope to have this space of notebooks before the conference and after the conference. And we'll keep making those little experiments. And if anybody wishes to make an experiment, and tell about about your experiments and do something with notebooks and so on, or prepare something for the conference, then we will be glad to chat and help each other and think together about how we create these things. And yeah, and maybe I'll share one more thing, and that is, sorry. I'm sharing the screen just for a little moment. And so this is a plotting library that we've been working on. And here we're trying to make it easier to make plots. Again, with Plotly, but make it a bit easier to write from Clojure. And so we have those Clojure abstractions. So for example, we can call this Clojure function that will make something in a certain kind of plot. And for the Clojure programmer, it can be nice, but for the language model, it can be more difficult because it is an additional layer of abstraction. And I think, Steve, you told me, Steve, that it can be a problem to visualize. And you're right. You're right. It is not obvious. It is not obvious that the language model will just know what to do.
Cool.
Right? So yes, it is difficult to make it work all the time. And then we do need those MCP servers where the language model can try something and see that it fails and try again and again and again till it gets it right. But we did have some good experience with it. And for me, I can make plots in Clojure, still with some problems, as you explained, Steve. And so, yeah, we'll keep exploring that. And now we are around the official time, and maybe somebody may need to go. But if there are more thoughts, more ideas about anything, then we can talk more. And yeah. And yeah, Steve, I hope you will make a talk for the conference about datascript and MCP. It will be amazing to have it in the conference. And it is so impressive how it just works. It just works. Everything you asked the machine, it just did. And that was, one of the impressive demos we had in this group. And yeah. I hope to try it.
I think this is a very, very cool conversation way, and have help people to learning the data and coding and the data science. And this is a good way. So. I need something thinking and can answer you. Yes, I have read your organization this project very interesting. Yeah, I have some friend have share your project. Yeah. Your this project have some I forget the time. Have some Chinese Clojure programmer share me. Yeah, I think it's very help the children can learning the data science is a good way because visualization is is best way to learning the data science. Yeah, right.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, data science and take some conversation the way you can and you can need if you some VR you can by VR you can MCP by your hand operates the graph. Wow, it's very cool. I think because so you maybe need some sensor in your hand, and they can operate your data. Wow, very cool. Is and multi operates the way for your these projects and not use the Emacs because the children cannot use the Emacs. Okay, maybe I think it's very cool. Because I very like the Iron Man. Iron Man, the builder model. You can use the hand. Oh, a spin and change other color. Oh, is build a model and other thing is very fast. I think it's a very cool thing. Yeah. But it's about no other. Very interesting.
Yeah, these are great thoughts. Yeah.
Because the AI flow, it can help you relate your thinking. Yeah, you can make a lot of the. I think you can make a lot of sensor can and write some like Linux machine to help build the graph for these people. These people handle some operates. Yeah, I think it's can be real.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So if I understood correctly, Steve, you mentioned that the way we interact with the data or the visualization might no longer be with the command line or the dialogue, but with the hands. Is it did I understand you correctly, or you talked about sensors? Because I'm thinking another thing. I'm thinking using not screens, but augmented reality to play with visualization. The data can exist in isolation. You want to see your data. They are in their own world. Anything, the sales, the biometrics, the etc. But you could imagine having data that would even be happier inside the real world. I mean, via visualization of those data in an augmented reality system. Yeah, just stupid thought.
Yeah. Oh, we lost Steve for a moment. Maybe Steve will come back. We will see. Yeah. Yeah, I think maybe it is a good time to end the recording of this meeting. And sometimes we stay longer and chat if we wish, if we have more to talk about. So, Stefan, did you wish to say anything more before we stop the recording?
Not at all. Not at all.
Oh, Siavash, maybe you have more to say, no? Right, so we will now say goodbye to the recording, and we will keep chatting here. So see you on the next times. Oh, here is Steve.